Hi, I'm Karen Harrison from the Young Living Dream Builders team, here to talk with you about how to use your Thieves sample packet that comes in your premium starter kit. First of all, what can you do with this? Well, you can clean everything. I love it on my kitchen counters. I use it in my bathroom to clean the showers, the sinks, the toilets, the kitchen floors, the tile, safe on granite, and great for your windows and your mirrors. I cleaned my car windows with it a couple of days ago. I clean all that sticky goo that gets on the inside of the windows off of my car, and it is safe to use around your kids and your pets. It is all plant-based, non-toxic, and you can feel comfortable with your kids and your pets laying on the floor. You don't want to be poisoning your kids and pets with those toxic cleaners and then have people walking barefoot on the floors, breathing in those fumes, and whatever you're cleaning gets on your skin, and it can be found in your bloodstream in 26 seconds. So very important to use an all-natural plant-based cleaner. Now, how do you use it? This packet has 1 ounce. So you're going to get a teaspoon, pour a teaspoon of it into an 8-ounce glass bottle, fill it with water. If you don't have a teaspoon, just grab a regular spoon. 2 teaspoons in a 16-ounce bottle. If you have a 32-ounce bottle, dump the whole packet in. Now, if you don't use the whole packet all at once, what do? I suggest you stick it in a cup and then paper clip it, or put a clothespin on it, stick it into the counter until next time. You're going to want to place this Thieves cleaner on your Essential Rewards order. This bottle makes 57 of these 16-ounce spray bottles. Use different strengths for different jobs. If you are wanting a heavier degreasing, then you're going to use a little bit more of this. If you're going to use it on the windows, you're going to use a little bit less. And you can add in some additional lemon and a teaspoon of vinegar for your windows. We have, as a resource, this cool handout, which you can find in our Dream Builders YL Resources Facebook page. It's in the files section, and it tells all sorts of ways to clean all sorts of different jobs. So it tells you how to make a paste with it, for scrubbing a bathtub, if you need some more deep cleaning, or for scrubbing a sink combined with some baking soda, and gives you lots of different ideas. But it's really very simple. Put some in the bottle, mix it with water, spray it on. It smells great. It's got a little spice, citrus scent, but it's very light smell. It's got a lighter smell than the Thieves essential oil because guess what? It's very diluted with water. I love this stuff. It's very economical. Only costs about $1 a bottle to make, the 16-ounce bottle. It's going to be more economical than any cleaner that you can buy in the store, and it's going to last a long time. So add it to your Essential Rewards order and enjoy cleaning again, feeling comfortable and safe that you're doing the very best for your family. Thanks. See you next time.